Rust everywhere, man. Hit the scrap yard. Found a skirt kit. Central gonna look clean in a little bit. So I had to tell you that we went to the scrap yard and actually found a skirt kit. So now the Central's gonna look so much better, and the eyesore rust is gonna disappear. On the way home from the scrap yard, I got a text from a friend who's a car dealer who sells me pre-auction cars. So me and Aaron head directly there from the scrap yards, even though I promised I wouldn't buy any more cars.
Now we are actually on a side mission to go see cars. So we're gonna go check a couple cars. I know we're not supposed to buy more cars.
Nowhere to put them.
We're not.
We have nowhere to put them.
We have nowhere to put them. He is right. Alright. I'm not gonna buy a car, but we're going to check cars. And that's my fun time, because I like playing cars.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
I piss him off. See that eye? See the side eye? Bombastic side eye. Alright, cut to checking cars. Alright, Aaron. We got some options.
Great.
I'm super excited.
You can feel it, dude! You can feel it!
Right?
One's got an auto start.
I was like, wow, that's amazing. Looks like it's got a super ghetto-ly installed.
It doesn't necessarily mean ghetto-ly installed. Just means
Well,
25 years
see.
old.
All right, so Aaron, I know you don't want me to buy a car, right? And these are the reasons usually. What is this? Who did this? So reliable. And this is why I guess I shouldn't buy cars. All right, so this car, I believe I have started before.
There's no value in rusted out used Korean cars.
Look, this panel's not even on it.
If you think that's bad, the suspension probably looks good.
No, I'm
It does have
pretty
pretty
sure I started this car. Oh my god, the interior is insanely nice. Okay. That's not how a motor's supposed to sound.
The best part of this car is the Joy Road Chinesium tires that are still pretty fresh.
Joy Road? Is that what you just
Joy
said?
Road.
Joy Road. All right. No, thank
The bumper
you.
was repainted and then damaged again.
So we checked the cars. There was 5 of them. How did you think? What did you think of them?
I mean, I think you don't have anywhere to park anything.
Other than that, what did you think of the quality of the cars?
There was a hit and miss. There was some ups and some downs. I think the ones that were outside were all absolutely a days. I think the ones that were inside were definitely a little bit better.
All right. So they were beat up. The Passat was so nice, but the Passat had 320,000 kilometers.
A lot.
It's a lot of kilometers. So that was no good. The Hyundai was a Hyundai Accent, old school. There's no profit to be made in that. That's a $1,500, $2,000 car. By the time I'm out with the taxes, the repairs, the everything, it's just not worth it. The Hyundai Santa Fe was a scrap because motor terrible. You can see in the clip. What was the other one even? Yaris. The Yaris was rusted out. Can't take it. But what we did see was some nicer cars, like an FX50, very nice. And then a newer Golf wagon modified, but like really classily done, like super nice. The rims are nice. Everything's nice. So looks wise, very, very nice. I'm thinking potentially getting a nice car instead of these cars that we've been getting and having to do a lot too. So we'll see. Now, dinner. Thank you, sir.